History of Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. The language was designed with an emphasis on code readability and simplicity, making it accessible to programmers of all skill levels. Van Rossum aimed to create a language that would be easy to learn and use, while still being powerful enough to handle complex tasks. Python's name is derived from the British comedy television show, Monty Python's Flying Circus, reflecting Van Rossum's desire to make programming fun. Over the years, Python has evolved significantly, with major versions released, including Python 2 in 2000 and Python 3 in 2008. Python 3 introduced several improvements and changes that made the language more consistent and efficient, although it was not backward compatible with Python 2. As of 1st January 2020, Python 2 is no longer supported, and the community has fully embraced Python 3. Applications of Python. Python's versatility has led to its widespread adoption across various domains, including web development. Frameworks like Django and Flask allow developers to build robust web applications quickly and efficiently. Data science and machine learning. Libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn make Python a popular choice for data analysis, visualization, and machine learning projects. Automation and scripting. Python is often used for automating repetitive tasks, writing scripts, and managing system operations. Game development. Libraries like Pygame enable developers to create games and interactive applications. Scientific computing. Python is widely used in scientific research and engineering, with libraries like CPY and Matplotlib supporting complex calculations and visualizations. Artificial intelligence. Python is a leading language in AI development, with frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch facilitating deep learning and neural network projects. Why Python is a great language for beginners. Readability and simplicity. Python's syntax is clean and straightforward, making it easy for beginners to read and write code. This focus on readability helps new programmers understand concepts without getting bogged down by complex syntax. Large community and resources. Python has a vast and active community, providing a wealth of resources, tutorials, and documentation. Beginners can easily find help and support through forums, online courses, and coding boot camps. Versatile and powerful, Python can be used for a wide range of applications, from web development to data analysis. This versatility allows beginners to explore different fields and find their interests. Extensive libraries and frameworks. Python's rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks simplifies many programming tasks, enabling beginners to build projects without starting from scratch. Strong industry demand. Python is in high demand in the job market, particularly in fields like data science, web development, and automation. Learning Python can open up numerous career opportunities for beginners. Interactive learning. Python supports interactive programming through environments like Jupyter Notebooks, allowing beginners to experiment with code and see results in real time.